A modeling agency which offers guidance to young women in the competitive industry is the focus of this week's edition of the Business Review. Here's Sandy Williams.
From modeling as a teenager to now owning and operating her own modeling agency, Kenisha Mitchell, CEO of Face Impressions modeling agency Fima, has taken on the role of modeling coach and mentor.
I have been modeling since I was 16 years old, and so I realized from the many trainings and agencies that I've been with that females need guidance by female. And so that led me to actually, going in the modeling industry and see how it is so I can guide them accordingly.
For Miss Mitchell, the key to success in the industry is not having a deep pocket, but having a strong network. Despite competition from other well-established agencies locally, Fima believes it can expand its operations.
I genuinely see myself internationally, my company internationally, but firstly I wanted to take it slowly by going into the Caribbean islands, and you have a lot of talents there, so I wanted to focus on that level first before I go to like the States and those things, because we do have a lot of talents and we have to go through crevices and corners to meet those talents.
And they are still recruiting.
Ages 4 to 6 and 16 to 32 upward, because most companies they ask for models or individuals to do commercials and so on. The requirement is for petite 5'7" upwards, 5'7", 5'9". For male it's 6 and 6'5".
Fima's clientele includes photographers, ad agencies and fashion designers, but most contracts come from commercial clients. During the pandemic, there was a pause on all things entertainment, but following a recent fashion show, Fima is getting back on track.
My main focus behind it was to, as for one, get the models back out there. 2, develop their portfolios, right? You need your comp cards, you need professional images, and to just give them back a hub. So I'm basically looking for an office space to open back the Fima itself.
And its main vision?
I see Fima throughout the Caribbean island. I also see us in Paris. It's one of my main places to go. And also being international as it relates to the USA and the UK.
With the Business Review, I'm Sandy Williams.